Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I glued on these nails and polished them myself. I'm going to be using my magnetic nail stands. I'm going to be using the acrylic nails from Amazon. I am using my trimmer, some adhesive putty, and this beautiful color, Dig Fig. So I'm just going to take the adhesive putty and I'm just going to take one little square piece, and that's what I'm going to use to adhere my nails to these little nail stands. These little stands go onto this little magnetic bar, and that's what holds them in place, and they do hold up really well. And then I'm just going to take I'm going to tear off pieces of the adhesive putty, and I'm just going to put it on the underside of the acrylic nail, and I'm just going to press them onto the little stands so that the nails will stay in place while I polish them. So I have all my nails on my stand. I want to make sure I've got them with the right side up. And I'm just going to polish them now. This is the first coat. And these nails take the polish really well. They have their first coat. I'm going to put the second coat, and I ended up giving these nails 3 coats. So now the polish is on. I'm going to let them dry for a while, about an hour, and then I'm going to put the clear coat. Alright, so now I am putting on the clear top coat, making sure that I have gotten the entire nail. And I'm going to let these dry for about 2.5–3 hours. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be doing a nail video for you. I wanted to do a darker nail color for the winter. I think that darker nail colors look really good in the winter time. And I had picked up this really pretty red about, a few weeks ago to do my toenails with, and I really loved the way it looked. It's called Dig Fig. I was going through my stash of nails, and I haven't bought any nails since I bought all of my holiday nails, I realized. So I wanted to do something without having to go out and buy a new set of nails. So I used the nails that I got from Amazon, all the different sizes, the clear nails. And so I just put them on my little stands and I painted them. I'm just going to take these nails off, which were my nails that I put on for New Year's, and they've stayed so well. I've had them on now for 2 weeks. I did lose the thumb the other day. I'm just going to take these nails off and I'll glue the new nails on. I'm just going to cut them down with my little clippers. So I will set this to music and show you what they look like when I'm all done.
Save my soul. I don't care for you and me. I don't mean to start a scene. When I feel that way, I guess it's you against the world. But we know it's not enough. I don't want you to say how it hurts you the most, but I've been there before. It's up to me to say I'm sorry. It's easy to try. I can chase my heart away. changed my mind, it's still the same. Feeling in my heart, we're falling from the stars. The way you're going on and on and on, it's so predictable. Maybe one last time, why do we go on like this? Can we ever make it stop? But I'll be yours to keep. What you give is what you get. I don't care to start a fight. I don't want you to say how it feels so alone, but I don't care what you do. It's up to me to say I'm sorry. It's easy to try. I can change my heart away, change my mind, it's still the same. I feel it in my heart, we're falling from the stars. The way you're going on and on and on.
All right, guys, I finished them up, and I really love this color. I think this color is just so rich, so pretty. These nails don't file as easily as the Impress or Kiss nails do. However, they're not difficult to do. They actually look good because they're clear. They keep, you know, they don't have a little white area. They don't have a white tip where you clip them, so they're fine. The last time I did these nails, where I put them on the little stands and I polished them, I let them cure overnight, and they were perfect the next day when I wanted to, you know, glue them on. So because I only waited a few hours, there was some, you know, indentation to the nails where I held them on to glue them, but really nothing. It seems like it's kind of bounced back. They're actually perfect. I cut them down to the length that I wanted them, and I'm very, very happy with them. The nails are strong, and when I put, if you notice, someone had asked me recently how long you had to wait when you were using this glue, this super glue, before you could do stuff. And as you saw, I glued them on. I held them down for a count of 12, and then after I completed the whole hand, I started clipping them. So if you can clip them, I mean, that applies pressure, and they're nice and secure. So I can basically do anything with my hands, you know, any activity with my hands after I finish putting these on, gluing these on. I can basically do anything I want once I finish gluing them on, and I try not to wash my hands or get them wet for about an hour, and then they're good to go. Like I said, the last set I had on lasted me 2 weeks, and I only lost the thumb a couple days prior, so it was great. And I loved all of my holiday nails. I really, really did. So yeah, so I'm on to my winter nails now. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that you will give it a thumbs up, and if you like videos like this, I hope that you will subscribe and come back. So take care, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.